All right, so if you are brand new to the charcuterie world and you want an impressive display, this is the board for you. So I like this because it's a classic, clean board look, like it's so popular right now. But here's the cool thing, it tells you where to put all of the different cheeses and what things you need for your charcuterie board. Now the cool thing is you can start off on this side, and then if you become a pro and you don't need the directions anymore, just flip it right on over, okay? So this is your starter charcuterie board right there. So come over here, I'm gonna show you the other awesome option. If you really want to glitz things up a few notches, try this guy. This is a beautiful all one piece. It's a multiple kind of plate look. It comes in this beautiful gold color and a silver color, but if you sit it down on your table, you can see it's the perfect way to put different cheeses, meats, even some jams and jellies, nuts, chocolates, whatever you want to put on here, I think would be beautiful just because you put it on here. So it's cool because you don't have to worry about arranging your cheeses or arranging your meats in a cool pattern, right? You can just kind of plop it on here and it's going to look really, really good. Bonus, you can use this for decorating at Christmas, right? So throw some greenery on there and some candles and you've got a really cool centerpiece.
Hey guys.
So this is my second favorite.
Oh, come in.
And then, if you come right over here, I'll show you my number 3. Now maybe like charcuterie is just not your thing. You're not big on cheeses and meats and the whole big display. You just want a really unique way to showcase some different dips, right? So this is what you need. This is a lot like the other piece I just showed you. It's a beautiful like bowl system. It's all one piece together. So this would be great if you just want a good chip and dip sort of look. So if you want to put some different dips in there, we've got like a pecan cheese spread that would be really good. A fruit dip mix would be great because then you could put that in the center and put different fruit around it. So this is a great one for nuts and fruits and just sort of like some chips and dips, right? So those are the 3 things you need if you want to try impressing your friends and family with a beautiful charcuterie board.